Today we're going to show you how to pair an Android and an Apple phone to your vehicle. First thing we need to do is make sure our Bluetooth is on, and it is on. Next we're going to go to the car and press the phone with the line through it. Then we're going to select Add, and we're going to look back on our phone for Toyota Highlander or the Bluetooth address. Popped up was Toyota Highlander, so we'll select that one. Now it is pairing. We're going to match this number. This is a passcode that's going to be different every time you pair a phone with the number on your phone. Say OK. Now we're going to have a couple options to sync my contacts and messages to the phone. We're going to allow. It's asking Toyota Highlander is requesting permission to access your messages. We'll allow it. And while it's thinking, Toyota Highlander is requesting permission to access your contacts and call history. We're going to allow that as well. And that is how you connect your Android phone to your vehicle.